Hey guys, this one's going to be just a little bit different than what I normally do. I went ahead and did film the right hand rear side and just kind of made a sort of a highlight reel, I guess, of various things. So this one's kind of quick, but I did see or do find some interesting things in there. So I just wanted to show you and share that with you quick. I guess the first thing to note in here is these are like the rustiest drum brakes I have ever seen. Um, Everything in here is just absolutely caked in rust, and I just kind of gave you guys a quick view of that just so you can kind of get an idea of what I had to go through here. And right here they were actually so rusty that the adjuster end was rusted onto the shoe. Actually, the whole adjuster was so rusty it didn't even like come apart when I first got in there. So that was kind of fascinating to me. I'm sure there's worse stuff out there, but this is kind of the worst thing I've ever seen that was going down the street. And this is just sort of a prime example of why I always like to buy new hardware kits. You can see that pin is just like twice the size it's supposed to be just because it has so much rust slag on it, and that's not good. That pin wasn't going to be around much longer anyway, so definitely buy a hardware kit if you're ever doing drum brakes. And this is another demonstration of me being able to remove the wheel cylinder without disconnecting the brake line. The brake lines in this thing are just like death sentence bad, so just wanted to share that with you too. And this is all at 4x speed. Really the thing here is just so you can see the enormous rust clouds that just emanated from the backing plate as I was grinding everything off of it. It looks pretty bad on video. In reality, it was 10 times worse. The whole garage looked like a Martian dust storm. Just really, really bad. Just crazy stuff. Holy crap, guys. If you're thinking you've seen better stuff in the junkyard, I am too. uh, I don't know if I've ever seen drum brakes this rusty before, and I'm pretty well convinced that the wheel seals are out of it, at least on the other side, with so much grease as everything was in it, and how respectively little was in this side. But you know, we'll see. We'll pull the fill plug on the axle eventually and check it out. But yeah, when I say I've seen better stuff at the junkyard, that includes S10 rear ends. I've bought S10 rear ends before that were better, and we might be doing it again if this thing's all torn up inside. But yeah, we'll find out. But anyway, she's all prepped for new brakes. Fear not, if we do have to buy a new axle, we'll just buzz those bolts out and we'll just swipe the whole backing plate and brakes and everything straight off of this one and just bolt it on. The junkyard one. Will be good to go. And we'll pull the axles at the same time and, you know, get on it. Anyway, that was quite a workout for the old trusty turd Harbor Freight 21-gallon compressor. That thing must have run for at least an hour solid. It took it like 40 minutes to cool off. But anyway, we're making progress. Let's see if I can not be a bonehead putting this side back together. So far, I think so good. We'll see. Okay, guys. Since I am a moron, we get to see if we can stuff a wheel cylinder in now that the shoes and the springs and everything are on. I got so focused on paying attention to the springs and making sure I wasn't doing something stupid again that I did something stupid again. So I guess we'll find out together. Here we go. Nope, but hopefully we just have to take one shoe off. So we'll find out. Yep, just one shoe. Went right in. And that drum is just utterly disgusting. You know, it's clear the rear brakes in this thing haven't worked for 2 years, you know, like the guy told me when I bought it from him. So, just wanted to show you what they look like when they don't ever get used. There she is, all done. Didn't get the line made up yet, but the drum itself was all reassembled. Altogether, about 2.5 hours with filming. So, certainly an improvement over the other side. Still hung my winky out a couple times on this side, but nothing like the last one. You guys check out the inside of that drum. Holy cow, these mugs are going to drag a little bit the first few applications. Thought about cleaning it out, but it's like, you know what, they'll clean up. I just want this done. The specter of drum brakes hanging over me needs to leave. So anyway, yeah, I also started thinking about it, and the last time I did drums was like 2010. So we're getting dang near a decade since I've been into a set. You know, I've done a good few in my time, but it's been a while. So, you know, arrogance is now gone with the wind, and now I'm back into educational mode. So anyway, if you still want to stick around for a how-to at some point, God help you, after my performance, I've got like 2 more for sure to do drums on, so there'll be lots of opportunities, and now I'm practiced up. But anyway, the 7:30 oh crap, time to eat dinner and stuff like that alarm went off like 20 minutes ago, so we'll catch you next time.